Alright guys, I forgot to add this into the video. There's just your little comparison between the Mavic Mini and the A10 right here. The size difference. Actually, I was kind of surprised at how small this thing was when I took it out of the box. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but no. But, you know, it seems to fly real good, so that's all that matters. There's the Mini, there's the A10. Alright. Alright guys, we're just going to take this up for a little... You hear that echo in here? It's pretty loud in here. We're going to take this up here just for a couple of minutes inside here, and then we're going to go outside and shoot it out. See them nice lights on the front? Turn the rate up a little bit. Okay, let me try that fast spin around. I'm not going to do the circle flight. Just do this other thing real quick. Okay. Now when you're doing that real fast spin, to abort it, just move the stick like this. See? Watch. And as soon as you tap the stick, it stops.